accused.
Like you should not fall in love with an older woman antana. For over 3 years would not amount to a rape. Relationship ends in a breakup, man lands in a lockup. 69 dedicated cell. ಎಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರವ್ರ ಕಷ್ಟಗಳು ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಂಡಿರ್ಲಿ ಒಂದೇ ಕಡೆ. ಏನ್ ಎದುರಿಸಿದಿರ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ?
No, my lords.
ಅದು ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಗಾಂಜಾ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು, ಅದು ಸತ್ತೋಗ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ.
No, my lords.
ಎಲ್ಲಾರನ್ನು ಕಸ್ಟಡಿ. Rule of law or anarchy? Custody?
No, my lord. We had filed a discharge application which has been dismissed right now.
Copy ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ?
It is served. Petition is served. It was filed in.
ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೋದಲ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 230 ಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು?
Please.
What is this? Not in the AG's office or the SPP's office.
Initial FIR at page number 12 may can be seen. This is the case where, my lord, the complainant is 3 years elder than the accused.
3 years elder.
3 years elder.
ಯಾಕೆ ಇರಬಾರ್ದು?
She is older than the accused.
ಯಾಕೆ you should not fall in love with an older woman ಅಂತನ?
He
Is there any rule?
accused is younger, my lord.
Is there any rule?
He was just 21 years old.
Oh, she was 24, is it?
She was 25.
25.
25.
So what?
That was the age difference, my lord.
So
Thereafter,
what,
the
sir?
initial complaint in page number 12 may kindly be seen, my lord. The FIR was registered only under section 420. There was no illicit relationship or whatever which is alleged is not even mentioned in the complaint. There is no whisper about the physical relationship.
What is your name? Venkata Shivaprasada.
Please.
Sir.
He is a resident of Kadapa. She is a resident of Bangalore.
Why did you come here?
That has taken place between them, my lord.
Huh?
That has taken place between the parties without their knowledge.
What is one nimsha, sir? Where did you meet?
So social media, my lord. She has invited him to Bangalore, and now, my lord, the interesting part is that she is married. She is married to somebody else, and she has already moved on.
Moved on?
Yes, my lord. She has already married, and she is. I can submit the.
You also move on.
Please.
The petitioner is before the court calling in question the proceedings in SCC. In SC 1590 of 2024 registered for offences punishable under section 417, 420 and 376 of the IPC. The petitioner and the respondent complainant are said to have been in a relationship for more than 3 years. For more than 3 years, and the relationship turning sour between the two emerges the crime pursuant to a complaint registered by the second respondent complainant. The complainant, which becomes a crime in crime number 142 of 2022. Initially, the crime was registered only for offence punishable under section 420 of the IPC. Later, the offences under section 417 and 376 were added while filing the charge sheet. The discharge application filed by the petitioner has been turned down. Therefore, the petitioner is before the court. A perusal at the complaint, the summary of the charge sheet would clearly indicate that the offences, the relationship between the two were completely consensual. Consensual relationship for over 3 years would not amount to a rape is the settled principle of law as elucidated by the Apex Court in 2026 SSC Online SC page 436 Ankit Tomar, which follows the judgment of the Apex Court in the case of Dhruvaram Mudaliar Sonar 2019-18 SCC page 191. Therefore, there shall be an interim order of stay of further proceedings till the next date of hearing. 1 HCGP, 2 emergent notice. Next. Now you also move on. Yes.
Lords, I appear for petitioner, my lords. Both petitioner and respondent number 2 came to know through Facebook.
Oh, ಇದು 69
69
ಕಸ್ಟಡಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ?
ಕಸ್ಟಡಿಯಲ್ಲಿ.
SPP ಅವರೇ, ಒಂದು 69 ಸೆಲ್ ಅಂತ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡಿ ಜೈಲಲ್ಲಿ. Relationship ends in a breakup, man lands in a lockup. 69 dedicated cell. ಎಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರವ್ರ ಕಷ್ಟಗಳು ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಂಡಿರ್ಲಿ ಒಂದೇ ಕಡೆ. ಇದು ಎಷ್ಟು ವರ್ಷ ಸರ್?
2 years, ma'am. 2024, in the 2024.
Where did you meet, sir? Facebook.
Oh, Facebook.
Yes, sir. Madam, ಎಲ್ಲ ಸೇಮ್ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಡಿ, ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಡಿಸ್ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಒಂದು ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಡಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಎಲ್ಲ. In the light of the offences so and so, Ankit Tomar ಎಲ್ಲ ಹಾಕಿ ಬೇಡ, ಸಪರೇಟ್ ಹೇಳಿ ಇವ್ರು ಕಸ್ಟಡಿಲಿ ಬರೀತಾರೆ. The petitioner is before the court calling in question registration of a crime in crime number 45 of 2026 registered for offence punishable under section 69 of the BNS. The complaint itself narrates that the petitioner and the respondent were in a consensual relationship for over 2 years between 7/6/24 to 11/6/2026, the date on which the complaint emerges. The relationship between the two breaks and the crime in the aforesaid crime in crime number 45 of 2026 has sprung. The complaint though in certain detail all narrates. ಏನ್ ಎದುರಿಸಿದಿರ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ?
No, my lords.
ಅದು ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಗಾಂಜಾ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು, ಅದು ಸತ್ತೋಗ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ.
No, my lords.
ಹಾ?
No, my lords.
Video is also.
ಏನು ಎಲ್ಲ ಟಾರ್ಚರ್ ನೀವು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
No, my lords.
ವೈ?
My lords,
ನೀವು
kindly
ಒಳಗೆ
see
ಇರಿ,
complaint.
ಒಳ್ಳೇದು. Don't come out of custody.
No, my lords. Kindly see complaint.
What is this?
ನಾಳೆ record will
Only in-
secure the
Huh?
record. Secure the record.
What is, you have troubled her so much?
No, my lords.
Huh?
In last two lines, she mentions about the delay that.
You deal with drugs, huh?
No, my lords.
ಮತ್ತೆ? There appears to be something more than what meets the eye.
Tomorrow we'll get.
Get the records. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಸ್ಟಡಿಲಿ ಇರಿ, ತೊಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಆಚೆ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಗಾಂಜಾ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ.
No, no, my lords.
ಅದೇ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀರಾ ನೀವು. You have lured the lady into your web,
No, no, my lords.
and afterwards only ganja.
After 2 years, she has filed a complaint. my lord.
Hmm.
No, no.
There is a delay of 2 years.
There is a delay of what, sir?
2 years. my lords.
Delay in 2 years ಇಲ್ಲ. Get the records, sir. Learned SPP ಎಲ್ಲ ಹಂಗೆ ಇರಿ ಮೇಡಮ್, ಹಂಗೆ ಟೈಪ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ. The learned SPP is directed to accept notice for the respondent. Learned HCGP is directed to accept notice for the respondent. The learned SPP is directed to appear in the matter. List the matter on Thursday, fresh matters. Get the records. ಇವ್ರು ನೋಡಿ ಬೇರೆ ಯಾವ್ದಾರು ಇದೇ ತರ ಮಾಡಿದಾರ ಅಂತ. ನಿಮ್ ಫೇಸ್ಬುಕ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಇದೆಯಾ?
ಈಗೆಲ್ಲ ಫೋನ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದಂತ.
ಫೋನ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾರ? ಹಾ ಸರಿ, ನೋಡಿ ಸರ್. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಒಂದು 2 days be inside better. ಏನ್ ಸುಯೋಗ್?
Paramour of my husband registers FIR my lords for 69.
Paramour of your husband.
Please, my lords. I am taken into custody my lords by the police.
Wife is taken into custody?
Please, my lords.
Why?
Lords, allegation that
Sir. Why is the lady taken into custody?
kindly see my lords the FIR at page 14 my lords, document number 1, crime number 185 for 69.
Huh?
Extortion.
Not by wife my lords.
Wife extortion ಯಾರಿಗೆ?
Lords, I raised my lords alarm.
ಇದು
Her
ರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡ್
family
ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ABCD ಯಾರು?
ಅದು ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಹಾಕಿರೋದು. They have not disclosed the name of the complainant.
ನಿಮ್ ಹಸ್ಬೆಂಡ್ ನೇಮ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ?
ನಮ್ಮ husband name ನಮಗೆ
ಮತ್ತೆ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಯಾರು?
Paramour of
Oh,
my husband.
Paramour is the complainant. Yes.
She registered for 5 years my lords, according to the complainant she was in relationship with my husband, and she says she knew that there was a dispute between me and my husband, so she thought that my lords there is a scope for her to my lords develop the relationship.
What is this, sir?
And I am taken into custody in the London magistrate mechanically remands me to judicial.
ಅದು ಮ್ಯಾಜಿಸ್ಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಅವ್ರದ್ದು.
My lords, there is no 35(3), there is no, so all the offences alleged are below 7 years.
ಇಲ್ಲ.
So Satyendra Kumar Antil is not followed, Asfaq Alam is not followed, Arnesh Kumar is not followed.
308 ಇದೆ.
That is below 7 years. 308 clause 2.
Have it tomorrow, my lord. Let me secure the record.
No, sir.
And my lord, she is a legal advisor in a
What
private
has
company.
happened, sir? ಎಲ್ಲಾರನ್ನು ಕಸ್ಟಡಿ. The rule of law or anarchy?
They recorded videos of private videos and all those things.
That is by
ಯಾರು? Who? Sir, she is the wife with the husband. The paramour has a relationship. She is the complainant against the wife. And the wife is in custody now.
Complaint copy.
Copy ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ವಾ?
complaint copy, my lords, I have applied. I have not yet received, my lords. It's
Get the
registered on
copy.
17th.
We'll take it tomorrow. Day after tomorrow. ಅಲ್ಲ ಬೇಡ, tomorrow.
May be released, my lords. He is a legal advisor working in a private company. She has
ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ.
13-year-old son.
Tomorrow, sir. 20, ಯಾವಾಗ ಕಸ್ಟಡಿಗೆ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದು?
18th morning, my lords.
ಆಯ್ತು, tomorrow morning will release you.
Please.
ಜಗದೀಶ್ ಸರ್, ಅದು ತರಿಸ್ಬಿಡಿ. Everybody are in custody.
See what it's complaint ಇಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರ ಹತ್ರ.
Section 69 offense ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆಯ್ತು, everybody is in custody.
In the press.
And this is a classic case of total misuse if there is nothing. That's why I'm finding this is anarchy. Everybody are getting into prison.
Registration of the crime is under challenge. The offense is
Offense, sir.
69,
69.
please. This honorable court has granted interim order and it was extended the last two occasions.
I
May kindly turn to page 18 is the complaint. But they were previously colleagues.
What do you mean previously colleagues?
Thereafterwards, my lord, there was a development of the
Development?
relationship between them and the narration in the complaint.
Then crime charge sheet ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲ, crime stage ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಇದೆ. And what she alleges, my lord, on 13/11/2024, which is in the second page of the complaint, where it is boldened, that's the only day wherein both of them had into physical relationship. Now, the 5 dates wherein the respondent number 2 has make out to lodge this complaint. Around 5/8/2024, they were introduced, and 7/9/24, the petitioner has introduced the respondent number 2 to his family. And on 13/9/24, my lord, he has left to US, wherein the respondent.
Why did the talks break?
Lord, the respondent number 2 is a Muslim and
ಅದಕ್ಕ
Adu.
And
And once,
160
that is one of the reason. And taking into consideration, my lord, by enlarging the scope of whatever happened between them, my lord, she lodges the complaint after 5 months. It is 17/3/2024-25. This is the only day wherein she narrates.
17?
17/3/25 is the day on which the report was lodged to the police.
Yes, madam.
Madam, your lordship, the thing is, the respondent number 2 and petitioner knew each other from 2023 as a colleague. And both are from Bengali background, but from different states, not from West Bengal. And she has left the company in the month in 2024. After she has left the company, respondent has petitioner has approached the complainant, respondent number 2. And from 31st/8/2024, their relation has started, love affair relation that has started. And on 13/11/2024, they have physical relation, your lordship, and there are and it has started on the pretext of marriage only from the very initial stage. It is there, we have produced all the documents regarding his chat for interfaith marriage within 7 days, within 7 days of proposal. And there is only 1 day intimacy because of this promise of marriage, your lordship. He has given one ring also, that also he has not.
Reel?
Ring, platinum ring.
A ring?
She was ready with that platinum ring.
That one also
Many
not
things has
returned
been
to you.
narrated.
After I have filed the first complaint in the month of February, he has returned some of the amount he has used in USA.
All right, please.
This thing.
Yes, sir.
Please, my lord,
Investigation ಆಗ್ಲಿ.
even reading of the complaint, my lord, whether he was having such a dishonest intention from the inception.
It is there, your
My lord,
lordship, in page 49. it is
Only
there.
on 1 day, at 13/11/24, if they, were into physical relationship and subsequently, my lord, if she turns.
She, It is he who told because of mother.
Whether
grandmother
this would
had a
suffice to,
grandmother.
Is 69 or 376?
ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲ ಇದು 69
69.
69 ಇದೆ ಮತ್ತೆ
ಹ್ಮ್.
and threatening ಇನ್ನೊಂದು 2 offenses are
ಅಲ್ಲ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಅದು
351 350
ಅದು 504 506
Yes,
ಇಲ್ಲದೆ crime
yes,
ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್
yes.
ಆಗಲ್ಲ. Yes.
69 only. But whether this would attract
And from the very first day, they were new, they
And in
are from
fact,
different religion.
2 judgments of dishonorable court only.
We'll see. Yes.
May I pass it on?
List on 7th will dictate. Yes.